I'll be solving a number of different integers in a string, and there's multiple ways, and there's like a real simple way that you use regular expression, but I'll not be using regular expression in my first approach. So the basic idea is that we want to iterate through, our pointer is going to iterate through everything in our word, and when we encounter a digit, we're going to detect it using character dot is digit. This is a Boolean method, right? So if we encounter this, so for example, if character dot is digit and we give it a word dot char at, and this is our pointer, then we have to detect when the integer finishes. So while I is less than word.length, because we don't want to iterate through over our length, and character dot is digit, again it's the same thing. Okay, then we keep looping through, so our pointer is still gonna move to the right. Okay, after that's done, so if we see another letter, then we know, oh by the way, we're gonna use a set because we cannot have multiple numbers, so 34 and 34, we can't allow that. And a string builder. Okay. So our pointer is going to be at the starting index, and so our entire loop will be based on this, whether our pointer is still within the boundary of our word. Okay, and this has to go inside this loop. Okay, so while we iterate, so we want to save these numbers, right? So we temporarily append this word.char at I in our string builder, and we increment our pointer. And once the while loop finishes, we know that this is the integer that's stored in our string builder, so we set.add, and we want to remove all zeros. So our string builder might have 01 or 001. So let's create a method called remove 0, and we add our string builder. Okay, and we reset our string builder to repeat this process. If we don't reset it like this, then we're going to add up our string builder. So 1, 2, 3, and then the next iteration will be 1, 2, 3, 3, 4. So and we keep incrementing, and after everything we want to return our set.size, because our set will contain a unique strings, so unique integers in the form of string. Sorry, I've sold through. So private string remove 0, and the parameter will be string builder sb. So while sb.length is greater than 1, so it's going to be length 2 or more, and we detect at the first index there's a 0 as such, like 0, 1, then we have to delete that 0. So delete that character at index 0. Okay, and after that's done, we can just simply return the string form of the string builder. Okay. Okay, that's accepted.